Is your Android phone stubbornly connected to Wi-Fi but refusing to let you browse the web? You're not alone, and thankfully, this is usually a fixable problem. Let's dive into how to get your internet back up and running, starting with the simplest solutions. First, let's try forgetting and reconnecting to the network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on the network you're connected to, and select Forget or Remove. Then, find the same network in the available list, tap on it, and re-enter your Wi-Fi password. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. If that didn't work, it's time for a full network refresh. Enable airplane mode on your Android device. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds, then turn airplane mode off again. This resets all your wireless connections, including Wi-Fi. Still no internet? Let's try a more thorough reset. Navigate to your phone's settings, then look for System or General Management, and find Reset options. From there, select Reset Network Settings. Be aware this will reset all your Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and mobile data settings, so you'll need to re-enter them. Confirm the reset. If your phone is behaving after those steps, the issue might be with your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from the power outlet. Wait about 60 seconds. This allows the router to fully discharge and refresh its internal memory. Then, plug the router back in and wait for it to fully boot up. Once your router is back online, try connecting your Android device again. Hopefully, you're now surfing the web without a hitch.